3.2 degrees warming we will reach by 2100 given the current political action. What do we need to move forward on at COP28? First global stock take since 2015 shows us we need to immensely ramp up climate mitigation activities. We need to focus here on phasing out of fossil fuels, not phasing down. Second, social questions in battling the climate crisis have to be placed center stage. We know from a study here at IDOS that questions of gender equality, questions of social inequality have increased and have increasingly been integrated in climate commitments, but this is not enough yet. It has to be ramped up. Questions of the interplay of human health and climate crisis have to be emphasized. Here we recommend to work with the vision proposed by the German Advisory Council on Global Change on healthy living on a healthy planet. And lastly, the loss and damage pillar that was decided on at COP27 has to now be filled with action and finance. This is a question of transregional credibility, and it is, of course, an investment into our common future.